In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to use left, right, and mid functions. They're also known as string functions. Okay, I'll explain to you how it has to be used, and then it will be self-explanatory for you. Now, if you see the phone number in this set of data, phone number starts with the city code followed by the phone number. Maybe for all these people, I want to separate out the city code. The city code from the phone number. Okay, so let us see. Like for any other functions, we'll start with equal to left bracket, and from the left, if you count, there are 3 characters. We want to separate it out. So before that, we'll see. I will take the cell number where we want to operate, and that is C2, comma. We want to extract the first 3 numbers. We'll say 3, bracket closed. So this is the country code, city code, and once we do that, so these are the city codes from extracted from the phone number. Now let us try another thing. Once we have extracted the city code, now we want the phone numbers also separately. So this whole thing is now divided into 2 parts. One column is having the city code, and next column will be having the phone number. So for that, we'll use is equal to right bracket. The cell where we want to operate is C2, comma. How many characters from the right we need? So we'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, bracket closed. Then we select this. Let the cursor turn into black plus sign and drag it along, and here's your phone numbers. Now the last string function is the mid function. If we want to take out something from the middle of the string data, this mid function will be required. So for example, from this, okay, I'll fill it up. From this set of dates, we want to change, we want to extract the month from the total date, and we want to keep it on a separate column. So we'll do it like this, is equal to mid bracket, and then the column, the cell where we want to operate from is E2, followed by, if you see the hint that Excel is giving, mid text, and then the start number. So start number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to extract month, it is the 4th character. So we will put 4. And how many numbers, how many characters we want to extract? We want to extract month. So 1, 2, 2. So we get the month here. Bring it here, and all the months are extracted. Unfortunately, all the months were 0, 1. So it has all come 0, 1. But if you want to be confirmed, I'll change couple of them. 4, 3. So if you see in this column, whatever changes we made here, it all reflected here. So these are some very good functions that you can use on your day-to-day life, and they're pretty straightforward. I hope everything is clear. I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.